Yo, starting out the day with earn by time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is high mileage. I didn't really see the details on it. I just know it's high mileage, and I hate it already. Mainly because it's going to leave me somewhere that's pretty useless to me, and I'm going to have to drive most of the way back. But this is a Mr. Maple Donuts going lots of miles.
There you go, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You too. Total for that one was $13 and change. Decent tip, but I wouldn't say it's a good order because, like I said, gotta drive most of the way back. Finally made it back into my zone and got the next order. This is a Starbucks going about 3 miles.
Just finished up.
Thank you.
Have a good morning.
You too. Total for that one was $6 and change, and got this right away. Probably gonna regret it, but we're doing it. This is a Mr. Maple Donuts going across the river, 8 miles. I had this order for Steph.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Total for that one was $15. Okay, that one wasn't the worst. And I got the next order right away. This is Burger King, $8 going about 3 miles. No idea if this lobby's open.
Hi, Division Burger King. How can I help you?
There you go.
Thank you. Need a door, and I need a pin, and it looks like it's an apartment. Oh, this one's gonna suck. I can already tell. Okay, I'm like one street over, and I'm really hoping there's parking. And I really hope it's not a busy street. Oh, this one is... Oh, I regret it. I regret it. Why are we stopping in the middle of the intersection? I can't tell if there's any parking anywhere nearby. There might be one right here, actually. This might be too far away. I can't tell where this building is, actually. Doesn't help that this is a one-way street. Old sketchy apartment building, but we made it out. Definitely gave me horror movie vibes. Anyways, got the next order. This is a McDonald's, $8 going 4 miles.
How may I help you?
Thank you.
Thank you. Somewhere down here. There's no parking on this block, so had to park somewhere else. Okay, I think it's time to pause everything and head back home, because I feel like these orders are gonna get a lot more complicated and a lot more stressful. Also, I have no idea where I am, so that doesn't help. I'm really hoping I read this order right, because I think it might be taking me back into my zone, but the restaurant itself is not in my zone. I thought it was. This is a Carl's Jr., $12 going 7 miles. Is this lobby open? I have no idea.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Have a great day now.
You too.
Thank you.
Casey, yeah. Thanks so much. Have a good day. Next up is a Starbucks. This one is $7 going about 2.5 miles. Thank you.
Yeah.
Next order up is El Jefe Birria and Tacos. This one is going 5.5 miles.
Hi, for camera.
Yeah. For some reason, my DoorDash shift ended right as I completed that order, so I have no idea how much I got paid for it, but I'll throw it up on screen for you guys. Next order up is a McDonald's going 4 miles.
Oh, okay.
Muchas gracias, eh?
I'm seeing free items, so this has got to be a no tip, right? Yeah, that was a no tip. $5 and change. Garbage. Next up is a different McDonald's. This one is going 4 miles. Oh, that's a whole paragraph that I'm probably not gonna read. The last thing it says is, if you're unsure of your left, put it in the center and me and my neighbor will fight over it. Okay, that works for me.
Stored by DoorDash and third-party service providers for quality, safety, and security.
Do you know if the one next to you is 19 by any chance? It has no number on it.
19 should be above me.
Do you know how to get, is it through?
No, it's in the parking lot. These, all three buildings are the same unit.
So it's around on the side?
Yeah, yeah, it's first left.
Okay, okay, thank you. Literally impossible to find. And of course they didn't answer their phone to help me out. So why would they? All that for a no tip too. Gotta love it. Total for that one was $9. Okay, I'm over it. Let's get out of here. Current time is 9:14. Total will be on the screen now. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.